was a rough day for police officers who were in court trying to convince Magistrate Kaidzuda to deny bail to the 25 CCC members arrested Saturday in Budiriro on allegations of attending an illegal meeting with intention to cause public violence. Defense lawyer Chris Mike grilled the witness Inspector Garauzive, demanding that he tells the court which law he used to arrest the opposition members. He also demanded to know from the police if the home of legislator Costa Machingauta was a private or public space, to which the officer replied, "It's a private but public place." Mike is arguing that his clients were attending a meeting of CCC structures in a private residency and therefore should not have been arrested to begin with. He wants his clients released on bail, but the state is opposing bail and has been throwing all kinds of spanners to keep the accused persons in remand prison. Before the grilling, Magistrate Kaidzuda had dismissed defense lawyer Pamela Msimwa's application for her client, who is a minor, to be tried separately from the other 25 accused. She, however, allowed for the minor to be given a further date in order for her to go to school. She is expected back in court on February 3.
Unfortunately, our application was dismissed based on the fact that the court is saying that they have to uphold the rights of the other 25 accused persons, which right is that they have the right to have their matters heard in public. Unfortunately, this is one of some of the cases that we deal with that reflects the challenges that children in conflict with the law face when they come into court or when they go through the criminal justice system. They face delays, their cases are not heard on time, they are mixed with adults, and even their ages are misrepresented by the police. So as Justice for Children, we will continue fighting for their rights in these courts so that they can have access to a child-friendly justice system. Thank you.
In this instance, are you going to approach the High Court?
Most probably we are going to. Because the matter has been remanded to the 3rd of February. This child is a school-going child. We attend school in Chiredzi, and considering the date that she has been given, she has to travel to Chiredzi, and by the 3rd of February she will have to be back in court. This is not fair on her, especially her right to education. It will affect her. She has already been affected by the mere fact that she has been arrested from Monday up to today. She has not been attending school. So yes, we are going to consider that approaching the High Court.
Lawyer Wilbert Mandinde spoke to the media about the day in court.
So today, day 4 is done. I think we started the day on a positive note. Today the court granted, or rather dismissed the application which had been made to try to have the proceedings in camera. So the court excused or remanded the minor to the 3rd of February and excused from further attendance of the bail hearings, as he does not need those hearings as he is already out. So the proceedings are continuing now in an open court. The court also gave an order saying that the accused persons have a right to food and a right to be treated, but that has to be within the confines of the regulations of the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services. So this afternoon or since morning we were dealing with the bail application. On the stand we still have the investigating officer who is giving evidence or trying to justify why bail should be denied. He has finished. He's giving his evidence. We are in the process of cross-examining him. We hope to finalize the cross-examination and address court tomorrow on bail, and then we will hear when the court will be in a position to make determination insofar as bail is concerned. That's the update for today. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
The CCC activists will spend another night in remand prison after the magistrate adjourned the case to Friday 11 a.m. for continuation of bail application. The opposition has said it sees the arrest and detention as a way of trying to dampen their spirits and crush the party, which appears a legitimate threat to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's grip on power ahead of a crucial poll. Lady Gomera, for HSTV News, Harare.